maseca, flour, cornstarch, and baking powder. You mix it all together, and then you add water as you need, as you go along, until you make it look this way, sticky. And then you mix it, and mix it, and mix it, and mix it. If it gets too dry, you add a little water with your hand, like you're shaking it. See? Sprinkling it. Oh, just whatever way you want to say it. But you don't put too much so it doesn't get too gooey. Now you hear it how even it squeaks. You hear it? So now it's ready.
Hear it. I do.
Now it's ready. Check it out. See? Grab a bolita. You do this. You can see how it gets sticky. Why are you going like that?
I'm trying to get the whole view.
I'm trying to put it close to you for you to see it.
Oh, okay.
And
I'll
you
go to the
like
other
that.
side.
See, I'm trying to show it to you. Have view. Plenty view. Until they come like this.
Mm-hmm. Yum.
You put them in here. And you let them dry out a little. You put them over. They dry out.
So you're going to leave them on the counter?
Like that for 2-3 minutes as I put another pan with oil so that I can start deep frying it. See, the potatoes are ready. Now I'm gonna mix these potatoes that are already cooked with the beans.